So the task that we manage is called Task 53. We have Marco, who is the operating agent. We have Regina, who is the task secretary. We have Björn, who is our representative in the US. And my name is Nicole. I'm responsible for communication. The Task 53 is the newest task of the HEV TCP, and it is the first task to be supported by the European Union. And we are initiated and sponsored by Car Neutral Switzerland. So the task 53 focuses on the interoperability of bidirectional charging. Now, we know V2L is increasingly popular. We also have V2H and V2B, which are very useful for the clean energy transition. But the real game changer is vehicle to grid, because it really helps the grid. But to get V2G on a global scale, we need an understanding of common protocols. So, and that's where the task 53 jumps in. We focus on identifying the gaps and the bugs from the protocol ISO 15118/20 in between electric vehicles and charging systems, plus the gaps and the bugs in the protocols of the grid codes of DSO, local grid, and charging systems.
The activity of task 53 foresees 4 stages. So first one is to identify bugs and gaps. And the second one is to discuss common solutions. We have to find compromises in order to find international, a global solution for these protocols. The third one is to test these solutions. So we do have labs. In Europe, it is JRC, the lab of the European Commission, plus other private ones. And in the United States, it's the Argonne National Lab. We are going to test these vehicles, charger, and grid integrations. And then the fourth step is to widespread the results and the solutions in order to have a global application. The biggest challenge for a car manufacturer willing to introduce bidirectional charging is to find a protocol, a communication way in between of cars, charger, and grid in order to make this car useful for the grid support, for peak shaving. And in order to do so, we have typically pairs of car manufacturer and equipment of charger, all 3 types, AC, DC, and wireless. And these pairs find a solution. It works. But when it comes to global scaling, they need to be interoperable. Otherwise, you always have proprietary systems. And the challenge, therefore, is to find a common solution globally across all countries, across all continents.
Yes, we hope that we get more partners, especially car manufacturers, but also DSOs would be welcome. And of course, we need for partners which are willing to change and who are really engaging in interoperability worldwide. Of course, Task 53 is here to solve a problem, and we want really to contribute to a global interoperability solution. So if you want to have more information on Task 53, you can have a look at our internet on the website. We are also on LinkedIn, and we have also some flyers which provide you more information, and there you will find also our contact details. Please don't hesitate to contact us, and we can arrange a meeting, an online meeting, and then we can provide you with our newest actual activities, and also we can talk about how we can engage you.
Join Task 53.